Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Today, video 116, Lecture 4. It is for BSc Part 1, Organic Chemistry, Paper 2, Unit 2. This lecture is about cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes contain close chains of carbon atoms linked together by a single bond. They resemble with aliphatic compounds in properties and hence they are known as aliphatic cyclic compounds. Cycloalkanes have general formula CnH2n and are isomeric with alkanes. See the structures. This is the cyclopropane. Its common name is trimethylene. This is cyclobutane. Its common name is tetramethylene. Cyclopentane. Its common name is pentamethylene. Similarly, cyclohexane is common name. Its common name is hexamethylene. If suppose substituents are there in cyclic structure, for example, this 1-ethyl, 2-methyl cyclohexane. Here, E is coming before M, means alphabetical order. We are writing in alphabetical order. 1-ethyl, 2-methyl cyclohexane. In this structure, 1, 2, 4 trimethyl cyclohexane. Here 1-ethyl, 3-methyl cyclopentane. If suppose cyclic ring means cycloalkane is in as a substituent, then we can give as a substituent. This is a straight chain pentane. So it is on second position, so 2-cyclobutyl pentane. However, if the side chain contains a multiple bond or a functional group, the cycloalkane ring is treated as the substituent irrespective of the size of the ring. See here. It is a 3-cyclopropyl propene 1-in. This is on third position, on third carbon. Here, cyclohexyl, 1-cyclohexyl, 3-methyl butane 1-in. This methyl group, we will give numbering from here. If a compound contains cycloalkanes ring directly linked to the benzene ring, suppose here cyclohexyl benzene, cyclopropyl benzene. Here it is a bicyclic ring. So first we will number the number of carbons. It is a heptane. It is a bicyclic ring, and here 2 elements means 2 CH2 CH2. So 2 2, and in middle it is 1. So it is a bicyclo 2,2,1 heptane. Here in this this is a hexane, and 3 this group CH2 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 3, and on this side it is again bicyclic 1, and in middle there is no group, means there is no element is attached. So it is 3,1,0 hexane, bicyclo 3,1,0 hexane. In this structure, it is again bicyclic compound. So 6-chloro we have to give numbering. First numbering 1. Here, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 chloro, 2 ethyl, 1, 8 dimethyl bicyclo, 3, 2, 1 octane. Methods of formation. From 1,3-dihaloalkanes, Freund's method. This method involves the action of active metals such as zinc or sodium on a suitable alpha W dihaloalkane, alkane having the halogen atoms on the terminal carbon atoms. This reaction may be regarded as an intramolecular Wurtz reaction. 1,3-dibromopropane. In presence of zinc, it will cyclize and it will form cyclopropane and byproduct zinc bromide. From dicarboxylic acids, salts, calcium, barium, thorium, first it will heated. Calcium or salt of dicarboxylic acid, when it is heated, it will liberate calcium carbonate and we will get cyclopentanone. And this cyclopentanone is on reduction, it will form cyclopentane and water molecule. From aromatic compounds also we can prepare cycloalkanes. Benzene on reduction in presence of nickel catalyst at 180 degrees centigrade, it will form cyclohexane. Toluene on reduction in presence of nickel catalyst at 200 degrees centigrade temperature, it will form methyl cyclohexane. Dickmann's method. Esters of dicarboxylic acids undergo intramolecular Claisian condensation in presence of sodium or sodium ethoxide. It will give us first cyclopentanone, and on reduction, it will form cyclopentane. Diels-Alder reaction, it is a cycloaddition reaction, 4 plus 2. Suppose we are using 1,3-butadiene plus ethene at 200 degrees centigrade temperature, it will form, on reduction, it will form cyclohexane. 1,3-butadiene with this substituent, it will give cyclohexenal, and on further reduction, they will give the cycloalkanes. Addition of carbenes to alkanes, it will also form cycloalkanes. This is the butene, 2-butene. Dichlorocarbene, it will form cyclodichloro propane, dimethyl propane. Physical properties of cycloalkanes. Cyclopropane and cyclobutane are gaseous at room temperature, while higher members are colorless liquids. Cyclopropane is used as anesthetics. Melting point and boiling point and density are increases with the molecular mass of the compound. Thank you very much for listening me. And in next lecture, we will discuss about the chemical properties of cycloalkanes.